A luggage compartment light is probably something you're never going to think about upgrading, but if you actually drive your car a lot, it's a very nice thing to have, especially if it's at night and you're trying to find something in your trunk. Now, Ford even realized in 2018 that the factory luggage light was lacking and started doing LED. But if you have a 15 through 17 or would like more light in your trunk, today we're going to show you how with help from Accelatec. This LED luggage light features 2 rows of LEDs. It'll be a direct replacement for all 15 through 21 Mustangs. And like I said, your 15 through 17 has a standard bulb, so it's going to be a huge upgrade. But if you have an 18 and up and the LED goes bad, this will definitely be a low-cost replacement versus a factory Ford light. The factory trunk light basically is a single small bulb about the size of your map light. So it's a pretty large area to try to cover. Again, you can really barely see it. Our light has a little bit of an issue already with the factory clip, but basically, let's go from the driver's side here, pop that out, pull down, and unplug. And now we'll plug our new light in, push it up into place, and click it in. Like I said before, the luggage light, probably something you never think about upgrading, but if you drive your Mustang and use the trunk, it's definitely a nice upgrade to have. The installation couldn't be easier. Probably get it off with your fingers. Worst case, a small plastic pry bar. Give yourself about 5 minutes and be back on the road in no time.